How to share a PDF file on Facebook Messenger from WPS Office. Hey everyone, if you're trying to share a PDF file from WPS Office on Facebook Messenger, first thing you do is open up WPS Office, and then from here, what you're going to have to do next is head over to your file section down below. Then select the PDF file and it will list out all of the PDF files available on your device. Now you're just going to have to open up the PDF file that you want to send. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. As you can see, I have this dummy PDF file that I want to send on Facebook Messenger. So simply tap on the share button at the top right corner. Now from here, you can select any settings or any app that you want to share it to. Tap on more and it will show you all of the available apps. Just select Messenger, or you could just go ahead and copy its link by tapping on copy link. And as you can see here, the link has been copied to my clipboard. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up my Messenger app and then send it to the chat wherever I want to send it. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the chat right here and then simply tap on the chat. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste this right here like this. And once someone taps on it, they will be redirected to that PDF. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.